Welcome to our roundup of the best lunchboxes. Whether you're packing meals for school, work, or outdoor adventures, having the right lunchbox can make a big difference in keeping your food fresh, organized, and easy to carry. We've carefully selected top-rated lunchboxes that combine durability, insulation, smart design, and everyday convenience. From compact kids containers to rugged worksite coolers, there's something here for everyone. We'll break down each option's key features, including capacity, insulation performance, portability, and overall build quality, so you can find the perfect fit for your daily routine. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal lunchbox for you. The first on the list is the Stanley All-Day Julienne. This lunchbox is built for people who want a reliable, stylish, and high-capacity solution for keeping meals fresh throughout the day. Featuring all-day insulation, spacious interior design, and durable fabric construction, it's designed to handle long workdays, travel, or outdoor use without compromising performance. The insulation keeps your food cool for extended hours, making it perfect for those who don't have access to a fridge. Whether you're carrying multiple containers, drinks, or snacks, the roomy interior gives you flexibility without feeling cramped. Beyond capacity, this lunchbox stands out with its rugged yet modern design. The strong outer material resists wear and tear, while the soft cooler structure keeps it lightweight and easy to carry. The adjustable shoulder strap and sturdy handles make transport comfortable even when fully loaded. Inside, you'll find thoughtful organization features that help keep items in place, reducing spills or mess during movement. It's also easy to clean, which is a huge plus for daily use. Another highlight is its versatility. This isn't just for office lunches. It works equally well for picnics, road trips, or even grocery runs when you need to keep items chilled. The zipper system is smooth and reliable, ensuring secure closure every time. While it may be slightly bulkier than compact lunchboxes, that extra space is exactly what makes it so practical for heavy users. Overall, the Stanley All-Day Julienne is a dependable and stylish lunch solution that delivers excellent insulation, generous storage, and long-lasting durability. It's a great choice for anyone who needs a high-performance lunchbox that can handle more than just the basics. Next up is the Sunnybird Roll Top. This lunchbox is perfect for those who value flexibility, portability, and a sleek, modern design. With roll-top expandable design, strong thermal insulation, and lightweight build, it offers a unique approach to carrying meals. The roll-top closure allows you to adjust the size based on how much you're packing, making it ideal for both small snacks and full meals. This flexibility is especially useful for people with changing daily needs. The insulation does a great job of maintaining temperature, keeping food fresh for hours whether it's hot or cold. Its compact form factor makes it easy to carry without feeling bulky, and it fits nicely into backpacks or alongside other bags. The exterior material is water-resistant, adding an extra layer of protection against spills or unexpected weather conditions. Comfort and usability are also strong points. The soft structure makes it easy to store when not in use, and the simple design ensures quick access to your food. It's a great option for students, commuters, or anyone who prefers a minimalist lunch solution. The roll top also helps secure contents tightly, reducing movement inside the bag. While it may not offer as much internal structure as rigid lunchboxes, its flexibility and convenience make up for it. It's especially useful for those who want a lightweight and adaptable option without sacrificing insulation performance. Overall, the Sunnybird Roll Top stands out for its smart, expandable design, reliable insulation, and easy portability, making it a great everyday lunch companion. Next up, we have the Meyer Adult Lunchbox. This lunchbox is designed for adults who want a balance between organization, durability, and thermal performance. With dual compartment storage, high-density insulation, and water-resistant exterior, it offers a practical solution for keeping meals separated and fresh. The dual-layer design allows you to store hot and cold items separately, or keep fragile foods from getting crushed, which is a huge advantage for meal prep enthusiasts. The insulation is thick and effective, maintaining temperature for long hours. Whether you're packing lunch for work or bringing snacks for a day out, it ensures your food stays in great condition. The outer fabric is tough and resistant to moisture, making it suitable for different environments, including outdoor use. One of its biggest strengths is organization. The compartments help you keep everything neatly arranged, while additional pockets provide space for utensils, napkins, or small accessories. The zippers are strong and glide smoothly, adding to the overall user experience. It's also comfortable carrying options, including a padded handle and shoulder strap. Despite its solid build, it remains relatively lightweight, making it easy to carry daily. Cleaning is also simple thanks to the easy-to-wipe interior lining. While it may not be the most compact option, the added storage and organization features make it worth the extra space. Overall, the Meyer Adult Lunchbox delivers excellent functionality with its dual compartments, strong insulation, and durable design, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. Next, we have the Carhat Worksite Lunchbox. This lunchbox is built tough for demanding environments, making it perfect for construction workers, outdoor professionals, or anyone who needs a rugged and dependable option. Featuring heavy-duty fabric construction, superior insulation performance, and large storage capacity, it's designed to withstand rough handling while keeping your food fresh throughout the day. The durability is immediately noticeable. Made with strong materials, it resists abrasions, water, and daily wear and tear, making it ideal for job sites or outdoor settings where regular lunchboxes might not hold up. The insulation is equally impressive, maintaining temperature for extended hours, even in challenging conditions. Storage is another strong point. The spacious interior can hold multiple containers, drinks, and snacks, while the additional pockets provide room for utensils or small essentials. The structure is firm enough to protect contents, reducing the risk of crushing delicate items. The zipper system is robust and reliable, ensuring everything stays securely inside. Overall, the Carhat Worksite Lunchbox is a powerhouse option that combines durability, strong insulation, and generous storage, making it perfect for heavy-duty daily use. The last one on our list is the Bentgo Kids Prince. This lunchbox is specially designed for kids, combining fun design with practical features that parents will appreciate. With leak-proof compartments, kid-friendly design, and portion control sections, it makes packing and carrying meals easier and more enjoyable for kids. The leak-proof design ensures that different food items stay separate, preventing messy spills in backpacks. So that's it for the best lunchboxes you can choose from. Whether you need something rugged for work, flexible for commuting, or fun and practical for kids, there's an option here that fits your lifestyle. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.